Hi guys, welcome back to Detailing and the Beast. A very quick video today working on the Ford Ranger. I'm going to show you how to replace the amber indicator bulbs in the wing mirrors. So the first thing we've got to do is manipulate this mirror. Now you can do it from the controls in the middle, but it's easy enough just to push this down at the bottom as far in as it'll go. And then, now I've done this before, but you're going to need a trim tool, and what we're going to do is take this casing off. And there are a couple of clips, one around about here on the inside and one around about here, and they're two compression clips. So what you've got to do is push them down or push them up at the bottom and push them and put some pressure to put the mirror cover backwards that way. So just to show you where them pinch clips are, that's one there, that square you can see. And you may have to move your mirror in and out to get to them, and the other one is there in the top corner. As I say, there are just two squeeze clips, so you squeeze them in using various trim tools, or flat blade screwdrivers will work, and then put a little bit of pressure on the lid, on the lip here, and that will pop out. Probably took me a couple of minutes per side to do this, just while I'm messing about trying to get it off, but be very careful, you don't want to break any of them clips. So all you've got to do then is put a little bit of pressure this side and the whole unit will pop off. And you can see there, them two pinch clips that you needed to get access to. These two here are just retaining clips, really easy to remove. But that is the case off. So put that aside, nice and safe, and then we'll move on to the main unit. So what we're going to do is aim into this hole here with our trim tool, and you'll feel there's something behind that. That is this piece of plastic here, and then once we release that, that whole thing will come out. Now at this point, if you just want to access the bulb, it's a case of removing this rubber. It's just literally a push in, this rubber mold, and then take your bulb out, replace with a new bulb, refit the rubber, push fit, and put the light unit back in. Always this end first, tucking it behind the mirror. And a firm click back into place. And that's it guys, so clip the wing mirror cover back on, just reverse of how you got it off, and how to replace these little amber bulbs. Now I did do a sequential upgrade at the same time with these LED units. I do have another video on that, so if you want to see that, go and check out my channel. Whilst you're there, I've got loads of other Ranger stuff, servicing, modifications, a ton of detailing videos, so go and check them out. And if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and come back for more. I'll see you on next time's video. Goodbye.